Hi, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, we will learn about Microsoft SharePoint portal technologies and know why SharePoint Online is important for businesses. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start the video. Introduction. SharePoint is a cloud-based collaborative platform that integrates with Microsoft technologies including Microsoft Edge and Microsoft Outlook. SharePoint allows for storage retrieval, searching, archiving, tracking, and management of electronic documents, technical drawings, and records. SharePoint's integration with Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office permits for collaborative real-time editing and information synchronization. This technology has organizational benefits including increased coordination, centralizing process management, reducing new staff onboarding costs, and providing a central platform document and sharing technical and management know-how via real-time training tools AR and VR training systems. SharePoint contains team collaboration groupware capabilities including project scheduling, integrated with Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Project, team collaboration, and project-related document storage and collaboration. Groupware in SharePoint is based on the concept of a team site. Description: SharePoint products and downloads. SharePoint may state to one or more SharePoint products or technologies, including SharePoint in Microsoft 365. It is a cloud-based service that is hosted by Microsoft for dealings of all sizes. In place of installing and deploying SharePoint Server on premises, any business may subscribe to a Microsoft 365 plan or to the standalone SharePoint Online service. Our employees can build sites to share documents and information with associates, partners, and customers. SharePoint Server. Organizations may deploy and manage SharePoint Server on premises or with an Office 365 Enterprise subscription to take benefit of all the newest features. It deals with extra features and capabilities, for example, modern site pages, modern web parts and authoring, modern lists and libraries, modern search, integration with Power Apps, Power BI, and MS Flow, and SharePoint homepage. SharePoint Designer 2013. SharePoint Designer 2013 is a free program last released in 2013. It is used to make powerful, workflow-enabled solutions and to edit external content types for an external data solution based on business connectivity services. OneDrive Sync. OneDrive Sync is a desktop program that we can use to sync documents from a team site or OneDrive for work or school to our computer for offline use. Why SharePoint Online is important for businesses. Microsoft SharePoint Online delivers these main features and assistance. Document managing and collaboration tools. Document libraries may be formed to store documents. They allow users to collaborate on documents in real time. SharePoint Online offers task lists, calendars, and team sites that support employees' communication and collaboration. Application integration. SharePoint Online integrates with other Microsoft Office 365 applications, for example Outlook and Yammer. By uniting apps, businesses can increase a team's productivity and reduce IT costs. Stress-free collaboration. The integrated applications and features provide an easy way for employees to collaborate on documents. Cloud-based document management makes sure that data is available from anywhere. Subscription pricing. Industries only pay for the licenses they need. Multifunctionality. As well as simplifying document management and facilitating collaboration, SharePoint Online may serve as a company intranet providing announcements and updates on company information. Security. SharePoint has progressive security features designed to stop unauthorized access to sensitive information. Mobile capabilities. Field and remote workers may enter SharePoint on mobile devices and use it for mobile applications.